Maria Andres, and our lesson for today is all about subtraction. So, what is subtraction and the definitions and the parts of it. So, I have here at my back, I prepared some visual aid so that we can easy to understand what is subtraction. So, subtraction. Subtraction is a process or skills of taking one number. So it means we need to take some part of the number. And here I have here example of subtraction. 978 subtracted by 243 equal to 735. 8 minus 3 it equals 5. So 8 taken 3 is equal to 5. 7 taken 4 is equal to 3. 9 taken 2 is equal to 7. So it means 735. So here, and the subject, my example, it is called minuend because it is here, it is the top of the number. And the second one, it is called subtraction. And the last one, or the answer of the subtraction, it is called the difference. And that's all about subtraction. Thank you.